Hello guys, so I'll be showing how to use the pen tool. I have this image and I want to crop there. To crop it out, I'll use the pen tool to do this. Go ahead and select the pen tool, which is located somewhere around here. Please make sure you select the first pen tool, the first one. When you right click, you select the first one, make sure it's at the first one. Now let's go ahead and do our selection. Shortcut, you use Alt scroll to zoom in or out. Let's go ahead and create a selection. Now while you are creating the selection, there are some edges which are not straight, so you have to curve it, and to do that you just have to click on at the anchor point, just click and drag like this. You click and drag at those smooth places. Don't forget to click and drag to create a curve selection. When you click, you see this, the little pen that is, it shows you the option to rotate it from right to left, and you can select it depending on how the surface is. So for me, I'll just do a selection for the head. Alright, so we are done. Now let's go ahead and click on make selection. Set feather radius to 0 and click OK. Here we have our selection. Now to remove the background, we'll need to invert the selection. Let's go ahead and click on select inverse and use the shortcut Control X, and that's it. That's how to remove to get out images using the pen tool. So thank you very much for your attention.